What's up, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? This your boy Toon, you know what I'm saying? Representing the Wrecking Crew boys. You know what I'm saying? It's from Crawfordville, Georgia, you know what I'm saying? I'm here to let y'all know that the new mixtape is dropping April of this year. You know what I'm saying? Last mixtape, if you haven't heard it, go to datpiff.com and download it for free. You know what I'm saying? So leave comments about it. You know what I'm saying? Let us know what you think about our music. You know what I'm saying? This year, you know what I'm saying? A lot of stuff, you know, we got going on. We got shows that we're trying to do up, you know what I'm saying, up in Atlanta, Augusta. You know what I'm saying? We got a lot planned for this year, you know what I'm saying? We got a solo CD that I'm bringing out this year. We got my homeboy Mort. He bringing out a solo album this year, you know what I'm saying? So it's a lot that we're trying to do this year, you know what I'm saying? You know, this year it's going to be go hard or go home. And we going hard, you know what I'm saying? Because we're trying to get that deal, trying to get that money this year, you know what I'm saying? So that's all I got to say, you know what I'm saying? Just be on the lookout for the new mixtape from them Wrecking Crew boys, you know what I'm saying? I'll let your boy Toon. Saturday night.